This comment, it brought up a memory for me. When I was dating the narcissist, his grandfather died. I remember that he didn't cry, and I remember thinking that wasn't weird because a lot of men don't cry. As an aside, I love men who are able to show emotion. But back to the story. Not only did he not cry, he talked about how he knows that he should, but that he didn't really feel anything. He kept talking about how he just doesn't get sentimental about anything. I will never forget the moment he said to me that he doesn't even think he would cry if his mother died. He just didn't feel what other people feel. This was like 3 months into dating, and I didn't see it as a red flag. Ultimately, I came to realize he feels nothing. He has no sentimental value. He holds nothing near and dear to his heart. Hindsight's 20/20, and it's so obvious now, isn't it? Ultimately, it's really good advice. Be afraid of people who don't show emotion when the situation calls for it.